Well folks, that's me got the 4 aspect signal installed on the layout. I've got a little issue at the moment, just like see what's happening, and hopefully I've put a post in the forum there and hopefully get answers soon, the problem. So I'll start turning off and let you see what's happening so far. So go into block 1. When it goes into block 1, the signal shall go to red. Into block 2 it shall go to yellow, and into block 4 it goes to double yellow. Unfortunately it's only showing one yellow, and I'll go back to green. So into red, into one yellow, and then into double yellow, and I'll stop it. So I don't know why the bottom LED is not lit. Something to do with my ability to program Rockrail. So just a little update to keep you informed there folks. So, I'm working on it, and when I get an answer I'll put our post out. So for now, thanks for watching. Bye.